Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So coming up, I'm going to play Little Brown Jug from the Grade 1 book for ABRSM. Here we go. So if you're looking to improve your clarinet playing, then start right now by clicking that subscribe button. Subscribe to Nottingham Music Excellence for extra help and online tuition with your instrument. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music. Let's get into a bit of the detail and talk about what we need to put in there to make it sound really awesome. So let's just have a little talk about the swing. Now, as it's grade 1, of course, this might be the first piece that you've played in a swing rhythm. Now, there isn't an awful lot of swing in this piece, so quite hard to demonstrate really what the big difference is between the swing quavers and the standard quavers. So let's just have a little think about that. So standard quavers are going to be more straight down the line. So you know you've got 2 quavers per beat. Whereas the swingy quavers, a bit more jazzy. So mathematically speaking, instead of dividing the beat into 2 and playing 2 equal quavers, you're now going to play 2/3 and 1/3. So notice that 3rd note, the offbeat note, da da bam. That note is quite off the beat. It's a little bit later than it would be as if you were playing standard straight quavers. Now, as you go into bar 11, it gets a little bit more rhythmically interesting with the piano, and it sounds really quite jazzy, doesn't it? So really try and get into the feel of this, get into the swing as it were. So all the time when you're trying to phrase off those ends of phrases there with that last quaver, just make sure that's a really sort of neat and slightly point out that last quaver with a bit of a poke. So there's some quite big dynamic differences here to really bring out. So that section I just played goes into a softer section. But then later on, of course, at bar 19, I think that should be okay for most players there. Just be careful not to squeak. And again on the next bit, I'll just watch the F natural on the next bar. So all in all, I think this is quite a fun piece to play for one of the B pieces. So don't play it too fast, just enjoy that swing and enjoy the jazzy nature of the piece. Okay, so I'm going to replay that performance track now. I'm going to turn down the clarinet part, play along with the piano yourself and see if you can get it really tidy and really accurate. Here we go. Okay, so I think that's a wrap for Little Brown Jug. I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, if you did make use of the video, then hit that like button, leave me a complimentary comment in that box below, and do check out some of my other videos for Grade 1 Clarinet. There's a scale video, pre-exam test, and there's also some sight reading tests, and some of the other pieces for the A and C lists. So do check out those, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!